Hello friends, I am Laneha Junsu. Welcome to my channel that is all about enhancing what you have. How is life treating you? I hope you're well. Today I'm going to review Some by Me Propolis B5 Glow Barrier Calming Toner. It comes in a yellow foiled packaging, and you guys know that I love anything that sparkles. It has both Korean and English instructions mentioned, which is favorable for international customers' knowledge. It claims that this skin nourishing toner contains 65% of propolis that boosts skin's moisture level while improving skin texture. It helps prep your skin after cleansing and maximizes the benefits of the steps that follow. Calms skin and acne, brightening, anti-wrinkle, strengthens barrier with a glowing radiance. It includes Trucica, bee pollen, panthenol, ceramide, royal jelly, and hyaluronic acid that are great for hydration, damaged skin, acne, and acne marks. It comes in a transparent honey-colored plastic bottle, which helps in seeing how much product is left. I love the golden and honey-inspired colors on it. It smells like sandalwood. The smell isn't overpowering, thank God. This propolis toner texture is thicker than water but still pretty liquidy and runny. It feels lightweight and quite hydrating at the same time. It spreads pretty well and takes about a minute to absorb in the skin entirely. Once it has fully absorbed, it leaves a sticky finish on the skin. It's not too sticky that it annoys me, but a tad bit sticky to touch. My skin looks brightened, and I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but my skin has these itty bitty shimmering particles. It's like my skin is radiating from within. To me, my skin looks like those Instagram models under the sun, if that makes sense to you. Do you notice that once I shake this toner, itsy bitsy particles start to form inside the bottle? Now, it could be oxygen or oil, I don't know, but it looks so pretty. So this is me before using the toner. I have enlarged pores, blemishes, pigmentation, fine lines, blackheads, textured, dry and sensitive skin. I have small pimples above my nose, between my eyebrows, and a bit on my forehead. So let's see how this toner will perform on my skin. Now I'm going to apply this glow toner. Shake well before use. I have already cleansed my face and now I'm applying this toner. My skin feels so refreshed and instantly hydrated. Since I have a sensitive skin type, this toner is feeling very remedial. It is absorbing well. It is moisturizing and soothing the areas that got a little irritated due to cleansing. Oh, wow. My skin looks brightened as compared to before, isn't it? My skin is calmed, hydrated, brightened, and moisturized. So far, I love the results of this toner. Let's do a moisture and oil level test. My moisture level is 63.2% and oil level is 20.2% before using the toner. Now, this was a quick test, so I filmed this part with my phone. I hope you don't mind that. And after using the toner, my moisture level increased by 1.6%, that is 64.8%, and my oil level increased to 0.5%, that is 20.7%. Surprisingly, propolis toner balances the moisture and oil levels of your skin depending on your skin condition. So, I'm back after 20 days and that's how my skin looks. Do you see any differences? Well, for these 20 days, I thoroughly enjoyed using Glow Barrier Toner. My skin was irritated at times due to wearing a face mask for long hours, but this calmed my skin every single time. After using this toner, my skin is so soft to touch and hydrated at all times. It has brightened and evened out my skin tone overall. My skin's texture has improved as compared to before. My skin is softer and smoother now. I feel my pores look a tad bit smaller than before, and it has decreased some of the blackheads on my nose as well. I don't break out and my skin was never irritated while I was using it. I think it is an amazing toner for people with dry, sensitive skin types, and also for people who are looking for a glass skin like effect on the skin. I will unquestionably recommend it to all of you, and I will rate it 5 by 5. Did you like my review? If you still have any questions, feel free to ask and I will reply to them. Bye bye.